What up, my friends? Dan the Man here. Now I'm fixing my camera. I say, hey, what's up? Now I gotta fix stuff. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Ooh, look, my coffee. Let's take a sip, shall we? It is 6:47 a.m. All right. Today we're working with the Tessera. All right, from Eleaf. Let's see exactly how we're supposed to pronounce this mod, shall we? Okay, listen.
Tessera.
Tessera. That's the American way to say it, according to this dictionary.
Tessera.
Tessera. That's the English version. The English. I know y'all over there in England are like, yeah, we are the English. Anywho, yeah. It has a Union Jack flag there and the American flag. Two different ways to pronounce it.
Tessera.
Tessera. That's how I'm going to pronounce it. Tessera. The definition is one of the small squares of stone or glass used in making mosaic patterns. Now, there are some patterns, and I suppose we could call that mosaic, but they're triangles, not squares. But I think it's still a mosaic pattern. Might be an outdated definition. Now, if you can see this, you see the bumps there? It's actually comfortable. It fits real nice in the hand. I've got average size hands, and as you can see, it's a pretty small little device. Fits wonderfully in the hand. This bar is the fire button, right? But it don't, well, I guess it does. But man, you gotta really push to get it to work down there. Basically, from about the middle up. Yeah. It has a real-time clock, too. 5 clicks turns it off. And there's the clock, my friends. Which we're not really getting to see very well, are we? There. Oh, come back to me. There we go. That's the time. The correct time. The real time. Now, I really do like the way this fits in the hand. It's a 4,300 milliamp hour battery, which you will not find in this little manual, nor will you find it on this box. Yeah, here's the box, by the way. I know everybody likes to see the box. You get extra stuff, same old, that you're always going to get in a box with stuff in it. I'm already losing my mind. My thoughts are running away, and they're not coming back. Okay, let's talk about the Ello TS, which is the tank on top. And if you look at it, you see the little mosaics on it too. They're more like triangles, but they match the mod anywho, so it's a sharp little thing. A little kit, you know, matchy, if you will. Now, the coils on this sub-ohm tank are not very flavorful. I have to be honest with you. Now, if you'll look at the HW1, that is actually stainless steel. All right. And then all the way down to the, okay, these are nichrome, the H2, the 3, and the 4. Those are nichrome, and the H1C is Canthal. I can only talk about, let's focus this in. the coils that I have. I've got the 1 and the 2. So a stainless steel and a nichrome. Right now I'm vaping with the nichrome, and in order to get decent flavor out of this, first let's turn it back on, huh? 5 clicks turns it on. I've got 0.2, opposite stuff kills me. 0.29 coil, vaping at 49 watts, 0.37 or 3.77 volts. My God. Notice how I took a real soft, long drag. That is how you're going to get the flavor out of these coils. If you crank it up too high, you're going to get a burnt hit. And if you put it at the proper wattage, you're just not going to get good flavor if you hit it normal. That's how I normally am going to hit my RDA. Jeez. And I'm not getting good flavor that way. Now, for you beginners, if you want some decent flavor from a sub-ohm tank that's not giving you good flavor, just hit it softer. Close down the airflow and hit it softer. Now we're getting better flavor. We're vaping an adaptation of Fruit Loops by Heatho72, my homeboy. He makes some great recipes, he really does. I adapted his Fruit Loops V3, which isn't out yet. He let me see it. Anywho, I adapted it. It tastes just like Fruit Loops, but it's not milky enough. I need a little more milk and a little more time, and it'll be perfect. Guess what, everybody? We've got a little friend. Hi, little friend. What's up? Look at the camera, little friend. She's a nut. She has a nut. Now, when I'm vaping at 49 watts, this battery lasts me all day and even into the next. When I put my RDA on there and I'm vaping at 80, 90, it's gonna last. It does last me all day, but I'm not vaping exclusively this. I've got like 5 or 6 other mods that I'm wailing on during the day. Huh, little girl, aren't I? Yeah, I sure am. We need her in the shot, don't we? And my mess in the background. Alright, anywho, I'm losing my mind again. Hold on a second, everybody. She was just staring at me. Have you ever had a cat just staring at you? You feel like you did something wrong. Oh my gosh. Anyways, have I done something wrong, kitty? Oh, because I haven't loved you. I haven't loved a little girl. Anywho, let's get back to this, shall we? The tank, average. The mod, which, by the way, was provided by my friends, healthcabin.net, who, by the way, oh my god, are having some bad to the bone sales right now. Y'all gotta go check it out, okay? I am not kidding. We're talking about $30 kits here, $20 kits. What did I see? The Voopoo Drag, the first one for $31. Granted, it's coming from China, but it gets here fast, man. They're fast. They ship pretty quick, man. So it's not like you're gonna be waiting a month, 2 weeks at the most. Anywho, we'll get back to that part. Let's get on with the mod. All right, it's got a real-time clock. Did I show that part already? I'm totally into clocks. So 3 clicks get you into the menu, right? Come on. My focusing is just horrible today. Oh gosh. Anywho, 3 clicks into the menu. There's 3 buttons on the bottom. That third button, the third button, of course, is what you choose. You use to choose what you want on the mod. Hold on a second, man. I'm killing it here. I'm dying here, my friends. I don't know why, but just dying at it here. I appreciate timepieces. I love clocks, watches, anything that keeps time. And this, my friends, keeps time. So let's do the mode. I'm hitting that extra button. I use the up and down button to take me where I want to go. RTC means real-time clock. And this is where I'm usually vaping at, right here, in this mode right here. I totally dig it. 5 clicks turns it off. And there it is, the real-time clock, 6:59 a.m., 12/30, 2018. We're almost to 2019, my friends. You think we're going to have a good year? I need a good year. I need a good year. Oh my God. Don't let me start crying though, okay? Yes, I'm a crybaby. I've been crying since the day I was born. My dad said when he seen me born, my head looked like a watermelon. He always teased me about that. Why are we talking about that? No clue. Oh, we should turn it back on. And there it is. The menu's intuitive. The mod itself is fairly small. Putting it up against the Sharon Mini, it's a little thinner. And it's a little smaller and a little shorter. Jeez. You can't even... man, I should just stop today. Like, I don't even know what I've told you, where I'm even at. We're just gonna power through this one today, my friends. Excuse me. And my whole editing is just gone out the window. I need to figure that out. I need a better editing tool. Anyways, where are we? 13 minutes and I've barely... You know what? Healthcabin.net is where I got this. You can get it on sale. But let's go there right now. I want to show you guys some serious deals they got going on. It's just insane. Hello? Slowpoke? Slowpoke much, anybody? Super crazy. They are having, oh my gosh, a sale of sales. The clearance items are, you're getting an extra 35% off with coupon code DEALS35. I gotta tell you, they got some freaking deals going on, man. The Boo Drag, like I said, okay, so $47 with a 35% discount. So 47, 10% is 470. 470 times 3, that's 4, 8, 12, 13, 14. That's like $15. Plus 5%. That's like $17 off of that right there, which freaking is amazing. And then look at that one there. You've got the Stentorian Squonker, $15 plus 35% off. There are some freaking deals, my friends, going on at healthcabin.net, so don't miss it. Jump on over there and get the deals. Alright, so I didn't pause it, and we're just acting crazy today. Seriously, they've got some bad to the bone deals going on over there. You won't regret it. We're at 17 minutes, so we gotta get out of here. I'm digging the kit. Go on over there, check it out, see if you want to buy it. Pick it up. I'll leave links in the description of everything I talked about today. This is Dan the Man, and we're signing out. Peace, my brothers and sisters, my vaping family. Peace out.